Hello guys! Unveil NIO groundbreaking cost-saving methods, lithium-ion battery trends, and the impact of 150 kWh battery packs on accessibility and pricing. We will discuss how NIO is saving money in a big, massive way. We'll also talk about lithium-ion batteries. We'll also talk about the upcoming 150 kWh battery pack, which is already present in reality. And we'll discuss some very interesting things. And it's about how some battery swap stations are not fully stocked with battery packs. Some of them only have a few battery packs, and what NIO is doing is that in some places where there is less traffic, it doesn't make sense to keep more batteries. That's why NIO is only keeping a few batteries there based on the amount of traffic flowing there, which I think is a very smart way to save money because these batteries are quite expensive. Now, how expensive are battery packs? NIO is making a lot of money from battery prices. As you all know, the prices of lithium have now practically fallen. However, despite this, NIO has not adjusted the prices of its battery packs. Perhaps there is hope that there may be an increase in lithium prices in the future due to fundamental changes in the lithium supply gap, which could reach up to $5 trillion by 2049. Now, according to Foremost Lithium, the outlook for the lithium industry expects a structural lithium supply gap to lag behind the demand for lithium through the electrification of the global economy in the coming years. The Inflation Reduction Act provides a $7,500 EV tax credit, but on the condition that battery minerals used in EV are extracted or processed in free trade partner countries such as the US or Canada. The energy transition makes grid-scale battery storage necessary, and the distribution of critical mineral supply chains is becoming an additional issue of national security. Battery and electric vehicle manufacturers are directly securing their raw materials, providing a profitable opportunity for miners and junior explorers. Yes, friends, if you look at global lithium cell production capacity in 2025, you can see that the majority of production will come from China. However, if Chinese EV makers want to sell in North America, they will need to ensure that every part of the car is actually made there. Financial Times reported on Wednesday that approximately 1,000 Porsche sports cars and SUV, 700 Bentleys, and several thousand Audi vehicles have been seized by U.S. customs authorities at the port. This happened because a Chinese subcomponent violated the law, forcing enforcement action. FT stated that the issue came to light in mid-January, but it's unclear how long the vehicles were detained. A VW spokesperson mentioned that delays for individual customers could extend until the end of March. If Chinese EV companies intend to sell in the United States, they may need to localize their supply chain with North American suppliers, including their battery supplier and lithium suppliers, to comply with these regulations. Now, looking towards the North American Battery Initiative, it's evident that the battery business is significant in North America, particularly lithium. Foremost, Lithium is a hard rock lithium exploration company based in Manitoba, Canada, strategically positioned to capitalize on the growing EV trend worldwide. They hold 43,000 acres of land across 4 different projects in Manitoba, which we refer to as lithium land properties. They are currently trading at $3,006 per share and may be poised for rapid growth, in my opinion. Definitely worth keeping an eye on, folks. Lastly, the hottest news: confirmation of a 150 kWh semi-solid state battery pack, with statistics released by the Bureau of Transportation, which in my view is close to the truth and worth hearing. And I want to clarify that it's just a semi-solid state battery and not a fully solid state battery. This simply means that within the NIO battery pack, some modules are still lithium batteries, but the rest are solid-state batteries. So that's pretty cool. Also, the cells within the battery pack are replaceable, which might come as a surprise if you didn't already know. So there are official statistics for the battery pack. We can see that for the ET5, you get a range of 1055 km. This is the CLTC rated range, and it has a 150 kWh battery pack, 7 km kWh. For the ET5T, you get a range of 1010 km, 6.7 km kWh. Now the ET7, which is quite interesting, has a range of 1050 km, 7 kilometers kWh. Now, NIO CEO did a live stream that was longer than 1,000 km. He drove for more than 12 hours and proved it. And this was with a 50 kWh battery pack on the ET7. And it was proven that they actually got more than 1,000 km during testing. So yes, most of the time, your actual range is less than the range labeled on the label, but the CEO proved that with the NIO ET7 and a 50 kWh battery pack, in cool conditions with the AC running, you can actually get over 1,000 km of actual range, which is astonishing. For the ES6, you get a CLTC range of 930 kilometers, 6.2 kilometers kWh. For the EC6, you get a range of 935 kilometers, also 6.2. For the ES7, you get a range of 930 kilometers, 6.2. For the EC7, you get a range of 940 kilometers, 6.3 kilometers kWh. And then for the ES8, despite being the heaviest car, you get a range of 900 kilometers, 6 kilometers kWh. A range of 900 kilometers is absolutely crazy. Wow, this is quite something, especially for the ES8, which is a hefty car. I believe the actual range will be much higher, especially for cars like the ET7 and ET5, because they are more aerodynamic, especially the ET7. I think the ET7 could offer a range of at least 1,300 km because in actual testing, the CEO achieved a range of up to 1,100 km. Okay, that's quite impressive. However, we still don't have any information about the pricing. The president of NIO previously mentioned that it would cost as much as a battery pack for the ET5, which is quite expensive, and the manager of NIO said that this battery pack would mainly be available for rent due to its high cost. So basically, if you need it, you can rent it, and perhaps there will only be one such battery pack available at each swap station. This also means that if someone goes to a swap station and swaps at 150, and then you go there later, you might be out of luck. You'll have to wait until it's charged. So that's that. Hopefully, as lithium prices are falling, NIO can adjust its battery prices to rock bottom prices, as the president of NIO Power said they would. So battery prices will be adjusted, but hopefully it won't be as expensive as 150. The price of the ET5 should be lower, so hopefully they can lower it and make it affordable, and people can actually buy this battery pack, not just rent it. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.